I want to open your eyes to a side hustle that you can leverage on right now and you can use to make money for yourself in the online space. So this has been on for a while and people are not talking about it again, but this is still profitable right now in the online space, and I just want you to leverage on it now and you can start a chance to make money for yourself in the online space. Right, so the business model I'm talking about, as you can see it from the title, is dollar arbitrage. Now the very first thing I'm going to do right now is to break it down to you. What is dollar arbitrage? Right, so dollar arbitrage is you buying dollar in low price and you are selling it at high price. So the distance between the buying price and the selling price is what makes you profit, and that is called dollar arbitrage. Now, how can you make this a business and it's going to be profitable you in the online space right now in 2025? Right now, let me break this thing down. It's something I've been leveraging on for the past 4 years, and I've been making money consistently every other day with this particular skill. All right, so all I need to do is to have details to receive fund and help people get paid. So once I extend all of this fund for them, they can easily get over their money with my own rate, and with the current exchange rate I can sell the dollar and keep the differences to myself. All right, so that's how this business works. So I'm just going to break it down to you from the very first step: what you need to start, how do you need to start, how can you get people to work with, and how can you manage your fund, and how can you manage your dignity. Do all of these things in the online space right now in this video. So if all of that being said, guys, I want you to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so anytime I drop an awesome video like this, so you can be the part of the first set of people that YouTube will notify that I've dropped an info updates like this, so you can leverage on it. Now, what you need to get started, now you need an audience that are working online. All right, so those are the people that you are going to start working in. As you know, like PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria, and almost all of these people, they are newbie in the online space and they just want to earn online and looking for someone that can help them receive the money and get paid. All right, so this is something that you can leverage on right now. All you need to do now is to set up your profile on WhatsApp and get your contact ready for this trade. All right, now let's talk about this. What do you need to start all of this business? Now you will need a personal PayPal account that you can control for yourself, so you can use it to help people withdraw on Fiverr, Upwork, and other marketplaces, or even you can help them receive money directly from their clients. Now, how do you get a PayPal account? Right, so I've prepared a course on how to get a fully verified PayPal account, and inside this course I teach how to create PayPal accounts in up to 20 different countries, how to verify it if they limit your account, so how to lift it, and how to manage your fund safe and secure, how to withdraw without you linking bank, how to withdraw with USDT, how to handle all of issues that PayPal might acquire on your account. So I have this course right there in the description below. That's going to be the first link, and this course is up for 50,000 naira, but for the people that's still coming on YouTube, I'm still offering a discount of 20,000 naira, so you are getting access to the course for 30,000 naira. And at the end of this video, you are going to see the opportunities of you making tons of money with these particular skills, and I've been able to teach this to some people in my community, and you can see their comments about this course right here, about how they are making money with this skill that they've acquired from me. All right, now if you have a PayPal account, all you need to do is to start building your contacts around people that work online, like freelancers. How do you do that? I still teach that in the course, but let me explain. All you need to do is to go over to WhatsApp, join communities, and start building your contact. Like, okay, you are reaching out to the group admin, like, okay, fine, I'm a freelancer, this is what I do, and I want to connect freelancers and all of these things. Now you are going to nurture them through your WhatsApp status. It's not something that you are going to be going to their inbox, this. You are going to nurture them through your WhatsApp status, and once you are able to nurture them through your WhatsApp status, they can get to know you and what you do, so they can start reaching out to you and you can easily make money for yourself. There's another way that you can do is to list out your service on Gigi. All right, you can just go over to Gigi and put it yourself as a service, and people can get to see it. Even they search on Google, you can get to show up, so people can get to see you from there and can reach out to you. Another way to build your contact is using Nairaland. Nairaland is a forum in Nigeria that people always drop content and even seek help from. Okay, so you can write a content about what you do, put in your number, and that's how I've been able to grow my contacts to over 6,000 in the online space. Now that I've been able to gather them and they know what I do, they know what I can do, and the one I cannot handle. The other accounts that you might need to sign up on is Pioneer, because almost everybody, not everybody uses PayPal outside Nigeria as well. So Pioneer is still one way that you can send invoice to people and you can get paid from them. Okay, so Pioneer is very good, but before you can start earning on Pioneer, or before you can start sending invoice on Pioneer, you have got to have received $5,000 to your Pioneer balance from marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Amazon, Google, and all of those things before you'll be eligible to start sending invoice to people and getting paid by that. All right, so the another thing that you can use for dollar arbitrage is our wallets, crypto wallets. Not everybody still have crypto wallet. Even some have crypto wallet, but they still fear to trade it. All right, so you too, you can start on that and start getting paid. But the most essential part of this program about the dollar arbitrage right now in 2025 is you having a PayPal account and is ready for transaction. You know, once people can transact with you over the time and they know they can trust you, you don't have any excuse, you don't have anything, and your transaction is very smooth and secure, they will get to do more with you. That's how you can grow as well. So this dollar arbitrage, and all you need to do is to be stable, understand the process, and manage your community save, right? So this is one of the best side hustle that you can leverage on right now, even despite the fact like you are still into the active income like freelancing and affiliate marketing, all of these things. This is what you can do as a side hustle to earn you more money for yourself to your bank account, easy peasy, without any stress, without any hassle. All right, so this doesn't come with a lot of stress. All you need to do is just keep showing up on your WhatsApp status, be online, and scout for your prospects and get to deep. Now you are going to ask me, so how can you pay them when you have not even withdrawn the money? It's just something simple. In the course, I teach how to withdraw within 2 minutes. All right, so within 2 minutes you are good. So definitely, if you receive payments for someone or you help them withdraw within 2 minutes to 10 minutes, you can pay them. All right, so this is not like faith proof. All you need to do right now is to click the first link in the description below, get access to the PayPal course, learn everything step by step, and I will be on the group to hold your hands through every hurdles that you might be facing about this course and how you can start up your business in the online space. Right, so let me know if you are going to start this business right now, or if you have a PayPal account right there, you can start this right now. All you need to do is to start building your audience so you can grow your community to a very large one so you can be profitable. Now imagine you are buying dollar at 1,300 naira, so you are selling it at 1,500 naira, so you are keeping 200 profit on each dollar. Now imagine you are able to trade like $1,000 in a single month, or let's just say $500 in a single month. That's 200 naira times 500. All right, so that's how much you can make with dollar arbitrage. And let me know if this is something that you want to try out and start off with to build your community and also build a side hustle income for yourself right now in the online space. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know, so and I share with you some helpful updates about how you can grow this business to a full-time income for yourself. All right, so with that being said, guys, like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel so we can keep growing together while we make money alongside. All right, so till next video, guys, be at peace, and I will see you right there. Bye bye.